Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Do you have favorite hobby? Are you ready to discover some fun activities? Today we will learn 100 hobbies and activities in English with picture, from drawing, painting, reading and cooking to sports, music, traveling, camping and exciting outdoor activities. You will discover 100 fun things people enjoy doing. Look at each picture, listen carefully and repeat each hobby or activity after me. Let's begin our fun hobby adventure. Set 1. Creative hobbies. Drawing, drawing. Painting, painting. Coloring, coloring. Sketching, sketching. Crafting, crafting. Origami, origami. Photography, photography. Pottery, pottery. Sculpting, sculpting. Knitting, knitting. Crocheting, crocheting. Sewing, sewing. Embroidery, embroidery. Jewelry making, jewelry making. Calligraphy, calligraphy. Scrapbooking, scrapbooking. Model building, model building. Candle making, candle making. Flower arranging, flower arranging. Wood carving, wood carving. Set 2. Sports and outdoor activities. Running, running. Walking, walking. Cycling, cycling. Swimming, swimming. Football, football. Basketball, basketball. Volleyball, volleyball. Cricket, cricket. Baseball, baseball. Golf, golf. Table tennis, table tennis. Skateboarding, skateboarding. Roller skating, roller skating. Hiking, hiking. Camping, camping. Fishing, fishing. Horse riding, horse riding. Rock climbing, rock climbing. Tennis, tennis. Badminton, badminton. Set 3. Music and performance activities. Singing, singing. Playing guitar, playing guitar. Playing piano, playing piano. Playing violin, playing violin. Drumming, drumming. Dancing, dancing. Acting, acting. Storytelling, storytelling. poetry, poetry. Writing songs, writing songs. DJing, DJing. Playing the flute, playing the flute. Playing the trumpet, playing the trumpet. Playing the drums, playing the drums. Karaoke, karaoke. Ballet, ballet. Magic tricks, magic tricks. Puppetry, puppetry. Theater, theater. Public speaking, public speaking. Set 4. Learning and indoor hobbies. Reading, reading. Writing, writing. Studying, studying. Learning languages, learning languages. Solving puzzles, solving puzzles. Playing chess, playing chess. Playing board games, playing board games. Playing card games, playing card games. Cooking, cooking. Baking, baking. Gardening, gardening. Bird watching, bird watching. Collecting stamps, collecting stamps. Collecting coins, collecting coins. Journaling, journaling. Blogging, blogging. Watching movies, watching movies. Listening to music, listening to music. Meditation, meditation. Yoga, yoga. Set 5. Adventure and lifestyle activities. Traveling, traveling. Sightseeing, sightseeing. Backpacking, backpacking. Picnicking, picnicking. Geocaching, geocaching. Kayaking, kayaking. Canoeing, canoeing. Surfing, surfing. Skiing, skiing. Scuba diving, scuba diving. Snorkeling, snorkeling. Volunteering, volunteering. Cooking outdoors, cooking outdoors. Nature walking, nature walking. Stargazing, stargazing. Kite flying, kite flying. Snowboarding, snowboarding. Archery, archery. Bowling, bowling. Ice skating, ice skating. Excellent job, friends. Today you learned 100 hobbies and activities in English with picture. You discovered creative hobbies, sports, music, activities, learning hobbies, indoor activities, and exciting outdoor adventure. Keep practicing these words to make your English vocabulary stronger and talk about the things you enjoy doing. Please like, share, and subscribe. We are learning. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning adventure. Till then, bye.